In this tutorial, we are taking a look at how to add the product tabs to a product within WooCommerce. So here we have our test product. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to this themes, the child theme in functions.php. We'll go to the bottom of it and paste in the code from this tutorial page and click Save. Once this is saved, we will head back over to this product page, click to refresh, and we should see those fields for the product metadata to be entered. Once information is entered there, we should be able to see the tabs on the actual website. So let's scroll down here and say, okay, great. I'm glad that this happened because this might happen to a lot of you. What we need to do is come in here. So what I did was I clicked screen options up at the top here, and we're going to make sure that the custom fields is selected. Then we scroll back down and we should see the fields for, let's make sure this was saved.